so lost and weak, even for myself I couldn't speak. Never shot for money, power glasses, Ferrari, watches, police shoes, Adidas and Nike, Skoda luxury, Thunderbird for a Royal Enfield. But what good is an iPhone when the heart bleeds? Lost my pain, smoking Mary Jane, 100 G's a week. Lost my ego, found out on the LSD, let my mind go. DMT got me on the mountaintop, Long Bill Wizard, the air crispier, from blinding heights I see clear. I know what's my purpose here, damn, is that Molly? Can you feel the love near? Damn, that's cocaine, so numb I can't even feel fear. How many types of beauty can be found on this green earth? But this high life cost me. At least I realized that the only person I need to please is me. I don't need anything or need anybody, but of course I'm grateful. I got so many blessings, I'm overflowing. I got me, I'm good and I'm happy. I'm an outlaw, I don't care much for society. Even if an Indian's in the White House ruling, I'll always be a king. I got a lot of soul food in me. I see many minds empty, but some of them hungry, so I'ma get to feeding. I'm an earthling, blessed with the divine feminine and masculine, like Shiva and Shakti. I'm nurturing and wilding on my quest for meaning. A visionary, be like Da Vinci, I'm free, a new man, leader of the wildlings, a living testimony that you can write your own destiny. Life is a canvas, paint your own paintings. I don't need dope to release dopamine, third eye blinking. I'm a chemical factory, dripping DMT as I cast these spellings, creating meaning. My reality as I speak, I'm a dragon, not a sheep. Ain't nobody out there to school me. I be leveling up even when I'm asleep. Work hard now and live the rest of my life as a champion. No sir, I don't copy legends, I be quoting. Only from the greatest I be learning. I don't work for a check, I hustle hard for that legacy. You can't decide for me, I'm a new breed. Indestructible, move stealthy, Assassin's Creed, 9 lives, cat size. I cut throat low-key, punchlines got you choke like Muhammad Ali. God molded my strategy. Ain't nobody dead or alive on my level to even come close to me. In competition with myself, ultra instinct, no limits. I'm a jack of all trades, king of one. I'm the change that the ancestors in my genes wish to see. So just be yourself for me, but for that you gotta first know yourself. I suggest you start with that before you even decide to judge me. Cause only one person can judge me, and that one person is also me. Legacy, Madman, Elixir Rhyme on that beat.